Hey, welcome everyone. I'm Govindasamy Srinivasan from govindasamysrinivasan.com. I welcome you to my Profit Host review. We are inside the members area of Profit Host. During this video, I'll be walking you through the members area to give you a feel of the product. I created an exclusive bonus page for Profit Host review, which I will be giving you all the details of the product and upsells. Now let me take you to the product information. Profit Host is a brand new hosting software developed by marketers for marketers, which allow you to host unlimited websites on unlimited domains on rock solid cloud servers for a one-time fee. With Profit Host, you can say goodbye to hosting companies where you have been spending hundreds of dollars in recurring fees for limited subscriptions. You get unlimited sites with faster loading, 100% uptime, and free SSL encryption built in. So you pay a one-time fee, there is no monthly charges. This is the next step in cloud hosting. If this sounds interesting to you, then stick around and I will show you more details. I have put some awesome bonuses for those of you who would like to pick up Profit Host by my link in the description below this video. The first link below this video takes you to this bonus page. If you want to purchase Profit Host, it is going to go live at 11 a.m. on Tuesday 22nd September. When you click on this yellow button, you will be taken to the sales page where you can go and purchase from the link here, which will go live. But you need to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because when it becomes 0, all my bonuses will expire, and I don't want you to miss out, as I have put together these special bonuses exclusively for my subscribers, and also the prices will be going up. Now let's have a look at the bonuses. Bonus number 1. This is a make money with easy passive paydays. This is a easy method. It's a complete course which will teach you how to make passive income and how to drive traffic. Bonus number 2. Here, this is a to Z launch jacking case study by Jono Armstrong, where he shows you how to do launch jacking by showing you step by step the process involved, which you can easily replicate and make profits by free method. Bonus number 3. This is a complete course showing you to go from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. In fact, I made my first $100 using this method. Bonus number 4. This is a strategy which you can implement to 10x your profits in your business. You can use the Urgency Pro software to implement this method on your sites to increase your profits. Now, bonus number 5. These are special bonuses from the vendor, and you can get them here. There are about 15 general bonuses you can download from here, and there are 5 semi-exclusive bonuses you can download from this link here. To claim all my bonuses and vendor bonuses, you are going to click the first link below this video, which will take you to this bonus page, where you can click on this yellow button, which will take you to the sales page, where you can click this button when it goes live after launch. And after you have purchased Profit Host, you can go to your Warrior Plus dashboard, access your purchase, and go to this blue button. When it will give you the access to all my bonuses and all the vendor bonuses, even if you purchase the front end for $17. Now let's jump into the sales page. The sales page, this shows this is a brand new software, lets you host unlimited websites on rock solid cloud servers for one-time record low fee. You can say goodbye to wasting hundreds of dollars on expensive limiting subscriptions to hosting companies. You can host unlimited substance websites and unlimited domains. You get faster loading websites than ever before with 100% uptime. You get unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryption for all your products. You pay once and use hosting forever. Unlimited bandwidth. So there are a host of benefits by picking up this product. You can check the 5-star reviews from some of the beta testers here. And normally when you go for a hosting provider, you pay around $274.21 per year. Whereas with Profit Host, you pay a one-time low fee forever. So you can go through all the benefits listed on this page at your own time. And now I would like to walk you through the dashboard. Here you can create unlimited emails. It is a very easy to use dashboard. You can create your emails here and you can access your webmail here. Now coming to domains, you can host unlimited domains here and you can update your DNS record with a simple interface here. You can activate free SSL certificates for all your domains here. You can activate cron jobs, and this website creation feature is very useful. You've got plenty of softwares which you can use to install your website. The most popular one being the WordPress installer. With one click you can install WordPress, and there are a host of applications available. You can look at the categories listed below, which contain, each category contains a number of apps available. This is this kind of apps, this number of apps are not available with any other hosting provider for such a low fee. Overall, it is a very easy to use hosting interface. Okay, now one more thing I wanted to show you. Let us go back to the dashboard. Now coming down here, you can create multiple user accounts where you can set up hosting accounts for your clients, and you can take backups of your files from here, and you've got a very nice file manager interface which I will show you here. It's a very easy. You can easily create new files and new folders here and upload your files and file information here. So overall it is definitely a very easy to use hosting interface. I am sure you will definitely love Profit Host if you pick it up today. All of this you are going to receive for a one-time fee of $17, and you get access to all my bonuses and vendor bonuses when you pick up your Profit Host from today. Now I will show you some of the upsell information. So the front end is Profit Host system, which I have mentioned, which contains unlimited size and unlimited domains with free SSL encryption. You got it is limited to 10 GB of space across all sites put together, however no limit on individual site. The upsell one is Profit Host Pro, which costs around $37. This is a drag and drop site builder. Lets you create stunning looking sites directly on the Profit hosting platform. There is no need to pay for expensive services like ClickFunnels. You get auto backup of all your sites and all your regular files. Commercial license enables you to host sites for your clients. Developer license allows you to create and sell websites. This is a mobile friendly hosting sites where you can edit your sites from your mobile or tab, which is rarely found in hosting providers. Upsell 2 is Profit Host Enterprise version, which you get for $47. You get your own cloud autoresponder with SMTP all connected with one click. You can send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers. You get your very own private off-server cloud storage hosted by Profit Host. You can encrypt files with a password which you can give to those who you are permitting to see. You can use it on your personal storage. You can use it as a personal storage space on the cloud. You can set time expiration date for sensitive files. The outsourcer license allows you to collaborate on your sites with assistants, developers or engineers, designers without sharing your full account access. Upsell 3 is Profit Host Done For You upgrade, which costs around $39. You get done for you products and sales page. You can copy, paste and profit from. The commercial license, you get to top selling tools. Previously awarded deal of the day on Warrior Plus, you can sell and keep 100% profits. Done for you affiliate reviews, you can copy and paste. OTOs and upgrades are built in to maximize your profits. Upsell 4 is Profit Host Reseller Package, which is $197. You get reseller license. You can sell Profit Host as your own and keep 100% profits. But there are only 50 reseller license available. If you are really interested in picking this up, you should go for it. Upsell 5 is Profit Host Bundle Upgrade, which costs $97. Here you get access to all software tools you will ever need to start making money online. And you will get access to all future launches of software tools by the creators of Profit Host, and they will give it to you by weekly updates and training and coaching. The key benefits you get from Profit Host is the unlimited sites you get for a one-time fee, 100% uptime and free SSL encryption. I encourage you to check out the review video by the product owners and check out all my bonuses. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Profit Host review. See you on the next. Stay safe. Take care. Thank you.